Okay, this is me using a 1 minute strategy for rise and fall so that you can get to see it works on all platforms. Now, I'm trying to make like 30 to 50%, and I have only 2 minutes to do this. Before you do this, you have to be sure of the very signal you're using. So I'm waiting just for it to give me like 30 or 40%. Right now it's at 18%. This is where I'm monitoring from. You can see 13%, 9%. So it's moving up and down, and I only have like 50 seconds left. Okay, I'm in profit a bit, but I need it to come down a bit. Okay, that's more like a 35%. So now I can close it. Now you can see I just closed on 39%. This is rise and fall with 1 minute strategy. Rise and fall, a 1 minute strategy. The key thing there is that you must learn to know the direction of the market. I had $10, so far I've made like $4. Let me show you. I actually did the trades for rise and fall. All these trades that I did I lose? Yes, of course of course you can see losses, but these are the trades I've taken. You can see all of them. Maybe I should show you. These are lower direction. These are another lower direction. So it always works for both. All right, this is me. This is like 40% in a day. So if you make 40%, you use $10, you make $4. That's 40%. Exactly like 42% or so. Anybody can do this. I always say this. Start small. If you can do this with small amount, before you know it, you'll be able to do with bigger amount. This is a trade I'm trying to show you. This trade I'm actually trading rise and fall. The main thing there is that you need to understand the direction of the market. It's the same strategy, the same platform, the same pattern. I'm actually waiting to have a proper entry. I needed to pull up a bit so that my entry will be on a safer side. The direction of the market is down. So I just wanted to have like a pullback and then I make my entry. You may be wondering, why am I waiting too long? It's so that I can have a perfect entry. So that within 30 seconds, I've already made my profits 18%. I've seen 30 and I've already clicked it, so I've had 30%. Under how many minutes? This is to let you know it's possible in any of the market options available. You can trade them as long as you understand the strategy and you know the direction of the market. God bless you. I'll see you. Oh, before then, let me show you so that you get to see all the trades I've done. I actually grew a $10 into $23. Let me show you the profit table. A $10 account, you can see all the trades. Now they are all the direction of the market is down. You can see lower, lower, lower. 2 minutes lower, 2 minutes lower. You can see even this current one, 2 minutes lower. It's just for you to understand. Once you are able to learn how the signal generation work and you are able to identify the market and the right entry, you will learn to make profit. All right. God bless you. See you in another video.